Police have regained control of the high-security prison near Jakarta. 156 inmates, most of them detained on terrorism charges, managed to take over 3 of the 6 prison blocks on Tuesday. The rioting prisoners took 6 policemen hostage and killed 5 of them in what commanders described.
Telling her rap, telling her steal. Stay happy every day, all a happy bill. See the corrupt system reveal. Pain ready, get a youth feel. Telling her rap, telling her steal. Stay happy every day, have a happy meal. See the corrupt system reveal. Yeah, hear them a talk, them a flip, them a yap. Get a youth, tell them must rise to the top. No, miss a dead, yo, please take it back. You want house and land and car on the spot. Get a youth, please rise up.
What you have just seen, guys, is some pre-owned Benz that are on sale right now at Stewart's Auto Sales. So all these cars behind me are Benz. I should try not to walk close to any of them because I can't afford none. But we're here. They don't know, as I don't know, I'm the photographer for the day. So let me say, a lot of Benz. I'm in Benz heaven. So right now, we also do some work for First Global. So I get it done, so I just take a seat. I don't know me next to them look at the interview for here the deal when we can get from my first Benz. Go for a C-class. Not too pressure them, you see me. Just tune in and see what I'm going. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You get what I say? Guys, vlogs getting better, editing getting better, everything getting better. Just continue work with it. You see me? Good night, people. I know today was a very busy day. Never really gave a vlog today because today it's hectic and I was the cameraman for the day. So right now we're there back at the apartment. I don't know. Chef boy RD Prince. We do some ackee and saltfish. Dumping them right now. And then I do the ackee and saltfish still Jamaican road boy, also known as Lando. You know, them just give me the hardest part and I have to make the dumpling them. 7 pounds of flour. God, me I did it. I guess so. We'll make it work. So I guess I don't know. Tomorrow I'm supposed to edit some video. Then Saturday and Sunday, and I see that vlog. I'm not telling you what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna leave that surprise there. So just tune in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the vlog. We're there. I'm gonna all our vibes sooner or later. Chef in a bit.
Simmer down. Drink and cook. If it's spoiled, blame it on the liquor.
Get car from man, me I drink so whole heap of blaming so gone.
First I cook with some tomato frozen. Now them good, they're just frozen. Some blood clot is not them. Watch it. I don't even want to use them again. I just cook them up through that. You want me? You can see the ice. Them frozen, man. know tomato get a little something there.
Alright, this is a cooking channel.
Yeah.
Jamaican Rudy.
You know what I mean? First thing first, you have to can cook. When a girl can't poison it, you can cook. Yeah, you have to pass it and find the black pepper. Shit. Alright. Can't make it look like I don't know, man. I just say, I put, this is all purpose. It just a tubes are all purpose. Harvey, which one of them have the black pepper? Oh, go find it.
Finally.
You know, I look at black pepper. You know the shirts. And do like people on the cooking channel always stir the pot.
Let me see what I'm going.
Watch it. Dog seasoning alone this. Ladies, if you want a man who can cook, link me. The single.
Number go in the description.
Do not put my number in the description. I don't like people. When you're rich, you buy saltfish with no bone. You even have to clean up them things. You just taste and flake it out a little bit. Yeah. So it do? Yeah.
And just ask me if I say it though.
No, guy, it looks slimy. This is cooking show. I'm a cooking show name. In the kitchen at Road Boy. Dog, if you pay me for playing vlog, you know, fuck. Hold on, you know. Bumbo card.
Time it up. Right, are you managing hot water the brother?
You know what time it is. What time it is. That was a lame joke.
Pun intended.
Yeah, it was a lame joke, but I don't get it, so I don't know the shirts.
So we're there at Castleton. This is our first stop on our long journey to St. Mary and then to Otrias. So now, I don't know what we'll grab. We might grab some soup or we might grab some food. We're not really sure. But I'll be in front of me now. I'm just trying to catch up with him so I'm not buying a foolishness. You see me? I don't know the thing go. So, just there I'm going to all the local vibes. All the local mates. Say, where you say I go for now? Food. Right choice. Right choice. So yeah, I'm gonna grab some food. No soup, you see me? So yeah, apparently the place that we're going to sell while ago sells soup. So we find the place where I sell food. Okay, so one to them about jerk pork, which I'm not really trouble the pork thing. So I'm really free for that jerk chicken, so I just take the fried chicken and done. So and then after that we just head straight back on the road, straight to St. Mary High School where I go. So and then Arville, you that you know? Yeah, so Arville jerk pork just reached, so I grab what me for grab now and the run for the. Whenever take the fried chicken, more they take the jerk. No, I don't vlog, but I take the jerk chicken.
This nigga go talk to him.
Ask your gastroenterologist about your
So on earth.
remission is possible.
Like a jealous girlfriend. I'm on that pair in my mind.
I'm sorry because at the end of the day, I only pick up most of my time, so that's why everybody know what I'm doing. I'm there everywhere.
I'm famous, I'm the famous nobody. Ask Arville for me.
It's the famous nobody pizza chicken.
Alright, so finally reach at St. Mary High School. Yeah, the sound is extremely loud, so I don't sure if you don't hear me, but we reach, they've been the doctor down there, so I am going to shoot today. Because I am going to keep this for the kids, but we're actually part of this as a music video. So I'm going to shoot this today, see if I can go as much as possible outside with my phone, or I just take some of the footage off of the main camera and show no one, but today I devin thing.
Well, catch up that, as I say, catch up after this video. Just continue, stay tuned. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. All of them love this stuff there. Continue make the vlog go on and get what me I say. Good morning, people. Don't watch my screen job. I'm at the sun directly in front of me. Yes, we are at, hold on. Open the can read, because I don't know what they say. Melia? Bahako Village. Yeah, something like that. So yes, we are here. Hello. Yes, we are here. Last night was...
I am extremely wide today. I first never tell so much people good morning. Come and know myself, I first never tell so much people good morning.
Really?
When I just walk and tell people good morning.
I never do that.
Exactly. Everybody pass me a smile and I say good morning.
Alright, so right now, we just walk the place.
How's the beach?
We just walk the place and enjoy it, cause last night was horrible. We were like homeless people last night. We slept in the streets.
Really, I follow Abel's story.
We finally appreciate life. Oh shit, that's some shit. Bring me something shoes.
Yeah,
Slippers?
I'm not further.
Yeah, we're not gonna further up on the beach. I'm not on shoes, not slippers.
Oh, we can go on board.
Really? So yeah, last night was we could check in last night, so we had to find alternatives to make sure that we reach here in the morning, because everyone was kind of fucked up, like very very fucked up. My battery did dead, so I'm not going for vlog much, but okay, so finally reaching at the room now and thing, just while I fresh and I set clean, so take on the road. So right now, just here I watch football. How this I play? Japan versus NXT. 1-1 the match there. So right now just I go and build.
Hello?
Then I'm gonna take on the zip line and everything. You see me? Me and Rolanda go dirt today. So just go and watch and see what I go on. So we're just done with the pool and the jacuzzi. Boy, the jacuzzi did hot. Let's watch the video right now with Lando. Brother, the water not so hot, daddy.
Why the fuck you there night then?
Yeah, that's what I said. The mother baffle look at eat, but he end up going night still and we bounce out for an half an hour. Over there, order some food. So I'm gonna take a burger and some fries. Now to try nothing old, now I try nothing new. Just I try something I just feel for. Then after I don't know, we might do some zip lining or we might do kayaking or whatever I want. Something like that. Huh? Kayaking or something like that. Yeah, something like that with the boat them and the yeah. So look up on mine and so when I leave here so tomorrow, so I just make the best side. Still up I'm looking vacation, get away from all the stress, all the video work, all the editing, all these asshole people. But one day I'm just enjoy it, so just go and tune in and see what I want. So they almost finished. It's roughly around 4 o'clock now. Today was a very good day. My vlog I'm not sure much because I mostly spend the time in the pool and in the water, so I have to put on my phone and my phone is dead, so leave it at charge and we just go out and go and enjoy the day. Right now I'm just sit down outside and I take in a look at natural breezing on. See, I'm just there, I just go and kick back and I take some breeze. But I'm going to go in another AC, then make it freeze me to death. All I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just start edit this vlog right now so I can get it by later, people. So just look out for it. Prince out. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, everything. Prince out. Prince, I'm gonna get this thing tuned right now. Just link up.